Good morning, everyone. Hope you are all doing great. If you caught our last vlog, you know we traveled from Hyderabad to Durg. Be sure to check it out from the glimpse of the scenic view along the Hyderabad Durg route via Nagpur. Now it's 8:30 am and we are on our way to Bamleshwari temple in Dongargarh. The temple is dedicated to goddess Durga, revered as Maa Bamleshwari. It's especially popular during Navratri, preached on the hilltop at 1600 feet. This temple is known as Badi Bamleshwari temple. About half a kilometer from the main temple is Chhoti Bamleshwari temple, located at ground level. The name Dongargarh came from Dongar, meaning mountains in Chhattisgarhi and Marathi, and the Garh means fort. Located 40 kilometers from Rajnandgaon district headquarters, we are traveling via NH6 Kolkata Mumbai highway, taking a scenic diversion at Tumbi Board, about 30 kilometers past Rajnandgaon, through lush greenery and mild forest. It took 1 hour 20 minutes to reach. The highway was good. When we visit, we usually go to both Chhoti and Badi Bamleshwari temple. To reach Badi Bamleshwari temple, you can either climb 1000 plus steps or take the ropeway. Ropeway cost 100 per person. We opted for the ropeway. You can enjoy a boat ride opposite to the ropeway station. We took the ropeway up to the top. A quick 5-minute journey. Walking up usually takes less than an hour or often crowded during peak times. But today was quieter since it's a weekday. There is Bandara counter where you can get food for nominal charges. Jai Bamleshwari Maiya. The visit was peaceful and the temple was less crowded. We waited at temple for another 15 minutes and then we began our descent. From here, you can spot Dongargarh railway station, just a half kilometer away from Badi Bamleshwari temple. You can either walk or take an auto rickshaw from there. Along the steps, there are various stalls selling prasad, food, clothing, glass jewelries, and more. We picked up some unbreakable diyas for home and glass jewelry for my wife. Overall, the visit was great and peaceful. If you ever visit Bamleshwari Mata Mandir, let us know how it feels in the comment and feel free to share your comments.